ada apa pada atur gendut orang ngono. Oh my god, this is so good. Itu. Ono mau pre barang ya aku peminggat. Kasi ada so lucu Indonesia. Girl, thank you, girl. You make me feel so, make me feel so good. Yeah, girl, thank you so much. And it's so nice. Hey, itu diganti gimana lagi? I will put it in my desk. I have an empty desk. I like it so much. Okay, I like it so much. It is so personalized. It's only for me. It's not from somebody else. I mean, oh my god, this is really good. Gel lucu loh, Gel. Hei, kamu apa bener lucu. Aku gak sampai arah ini Gel model ini Gel kayak SMA aku main kartu kayak gini kan lucu nih. Iya api loh Gel, sungguhan Gel. Ini aku tak gendeng. Gel, ini api Gel, asli api Gel. Thank you so much. Yeah, I feel like I accomplished something, and this is my reward. So you make me feel so good. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, Gel. I wish I could do the same for you, but I think you're just gonna throw it away. So let's stop.